morning, children. How are you all? Remember me? I am your EVS teacher. My name is Khushbu Kaushal. Children, today I am here with my new video and a new chapter. Today we are going to study chapter number 8 and the name of the chapter is Fun with Family and Friends. In our previous chapter, children, we had studied about fun. Festivals are fun. And today we will study fun with friends, that how we have lots of fun with our family members as well as with our friends. Children, everyone take out page number 31 of your EVS book, and this is your chapter number 8. Take out your pencil, and the first thing is you have to put today's date on the top of the chapter. Right? Everybody do that. Put today's date, and now we will do the reading. I will read as well as you also read, and put your finger wherever I am reading. Right. Here we start with the reading part. Chapter number 8, Fun with Family and Friends. We get tired after a day's work. So we all need recreation. Recreation means those activities that help us to refresh ourselves. Children, just think that whole day from morning till night you only have to study, write and learn and nothing else you have to do. Then how you will feel? Or your father or your papa, he's in the office and every time from morning till night he's busy with his computer, he's busy with his file, and mama is also busy with if she is a working woman, she's busy with her work whole day. Is it possible? We also need a break. You also need a break, and in that break we do some activities that make us again refresh, that refreshes us. Maybe those activities are just watching television. Like if a whole day you are studying and you say, Mama, just give me 1 hour. I want to see my favorite Pogo channel, or I want to see any of my Cartoon Network, or any of my cartoon. I want to see any of the cartoon. Like I know you love watching cartoons and all. And by watching that, what happened? You again feel so happy and it refreshes you. Similarly, mama also, after lots of work, she watches television and then she get refreshed. Similarly, papa also. These are some of the activities like watching television, listening to music, and some book readers, means some few people. They love to read the books, and after reading the books, story books, they get refreshed. These are all activities that give them refreshment. I know you all get refreshment by playing games also. It is also an activity that gives you lots of refreshment, and those activities that gives you refreshment, they are known as recreation. Right? Recreation means those activities that help us to refresh ourselves. We have lots of fun with our family and friends. Our friends or other children of our age with whom we spend time are also called peers. Now the next topic is peers. What is peers? Peers means our friends or other children of our age. Like for example, children, you are in class 1. Maybe you are of 7 years old, and your friends are also in class 1. They are also 7 years old. So you have good bonding with them. Why? Because they are your friends, they are of your age group, and they are your classmates also. So this means they are your peer group. What is peers? Our friends or other children of our age with whom we spend time are called peers. Like you are in class 1 and you will have a good bonding with a class 1 student or class 4 student. Tell me, you will have a good bonding with class 1 student because he is also or she is also like you. है ना? Class 4 or class 5 or class 3, they are elder to you. You don't might be like you are not so much open with them, but with your peer group you are open. You are free to talk. है ना? So these are your friends, those who are of your own age group. They are known as peers. Okay, beta? Now children, just tell me, what is your favorite time pass or what every time you want to do? I know you want to play every time. Playing games is means one of the best thing that every child want to do. If I give you an option that do this or play, then I know you will opt games. And in class also, going outside or your games period are one of your favorite period. I know this. Now children, we will study about games. Now the next topic is games. You know, games are of two types. Yes. Firstly, we will study about we play many outdoor games. We play many outdoor games. Outdoor. First of all, we will study about this outdoor. Okay? Just have a look, children. See the first picture. Tell me which game is this? This is cricket. Very right. Then next one is basketball. Then next one is football. Then lawn tennis. Then kho-kho. The next one is hockey. And the last one is badminton. Children, see these pictures very carefully. Everyone have a look. Cricket, basketball, football, lawn tennis, kho-kho, hockey and badminton. Now what I am trying to tell you that these are the games that are played outside our house. They are played outside our house. They are played in an open ground. And that's why they are known as outdoor games. Right? Games that are played outside the house are called outdoor games. We also learn martial arts to keep ourselves safe, taekwondo, kickboxing and karate are some of these. First of all, it is told that what is outdoor game? Games that are played outside the house are called outdoor games. Now, here are few other things like we also learn martial arts to keep ourselves safe. Like nowadays, taekwondo, judo karate, है ना? Kickboxing and this karate are some of these. Why we are learning these things? This martial art, why nowadays we all want to learn this? We want to learn these martial art to keep ourselves safe. है ना? That if something happens or just give a good kick to that person. It is for that. But don't misuse this art. Don't misuse this art. This martial art is only to keep ourselves safe and nothing else. Fine children? Clear? Now children, turn to the next page. And here the topic is indoor games. The topic is indoor games. Just now I told you about that games are of two types. One, I have told you about outdoor game. That is the games that is played outside our house. And indoor, it is just opposite of it. Indoor games. We also play many indoor games like, have a look to the pictures. The number one is chess, then carom, table tennis, ludo. Now what is indoor game? Games that are played inside the house are called indoor games. outdoor. Out plus door means the games that is played outside the house is known as outdoor games. Indoor means in plus door. The games that is played inside the house is known as indoor games. And I hope that nowadays you all are busy with indoor games only, because like going outside is little risky. So you might be busy with indoor games. And which are the good examples of indoor games? Chess, carom, table tennis, ludo. Apart from this, children, Scrabble, snakes and ladder, है ना? And many like video games you are also playing nowadays. I know video games are also indoor games that you are sitting in your room, and on your bed you are sitting, or in your living room you are sitting and you are playing. So these all games, the games that are played inside the house, are known as indoor games. Clear? Games are of two types, outdoor games and indoor games. Is it clear, bete? Now we will continue with the reading. On holidays and weekends, we go for picnics and have lots of fun with family and friends. Children, like during our holidays, during summer break, during summer vacation and winter break, where we go? We go to other places. We go to picnics, and there we have lots of fun and musty with our family members. We go with our family members. There also, like in sometimes we go to visit our relatives' houses. So we are also enjoying and they are also enjoying, right? On holidays and weekends. Weekends means Saturday, Sunday, the end of the week. Especially like your parents or your father or mother, they might be having holiday. So they all take you, Papa, Mama take you for a good picnic. Ki come on now, today let's go to city park and we will have fun there. We will play badminton, we will have some snacks and we will have an outing. So this is known as picnic. On holidays and weekends, we go for picnics and have lots of fun with family and friends. Children, why do we go to picnics and all? We go to picnics to refresh ourselves. And especially like on weekends, if we are going, so then whole week stress that we are having, pure time calm. So at least one day should be there now for our own refreshment, and that is known as recreation. We go out there and have lots of fun with family and friends. We also at times go to park or a zoo with family and friends. And sometimes if we get a chance, then we go to zoo also. And what is in zoo? Lots of animals. And I know you all feel very happy to go and see them, to go and just have a view that how they are doing there, right? We also go to see a circus with our family. Like in our towns, sometimes if circus comes with their team members and all, then I know that we go and see circus also. What is circus? In a circus, we find different animals and birds and even men and women performing tricks. Children, in circus, we see that many animals are there, many birds are there. And you know what? They all are trained ones. They all are trained. They are well trained and you can see them playing tricks there. Apart from these animals and birds, there are people also. Men and women, they are performing tricks. Jumping from this side to that side and having lots of fun and all. This happens in circus. If in coming future, if this circus comes in our city, then definitely you ask your parents to take you to circus. It will be a good experience for you. Okay? There are times when we sit together and read books or watch television. Yes, there are sometimes times that we sit together in the family and read books together. You know, children, like when I was small, I used to read comics, and it is a fun. It is I used to get lots of happiness while reading those comics. You ask your parents, they might also have read those comics. Like I remember Chacha Chaudhary and Pinky, Baloo, and in that Chacha Chaudhary का दिमाग कंप्यूटर से भी तेज चलता है. See, still I am remembering my those old days memories. Why I remember those my old days memories? Because I used to love reading those comics. That was my recreation activity. Whenever I used to feel कि now mama I am tired, I used to read those comics, and by reading those comics I used to feel very refreshed. Similarly, sometimes you also read some of the good books, some books that includes facts, some interesting facts that you like to know. So these all things are also part of recreation. You watch television, you watch your Cartoon Network. These all are part of recreation. Okay? Now children, just have a look to this green box. We will have a summary of the chapter. Let's go over. Fine? See point number 1. We get tired after our daily work, so we all need recreation. Yes, after doing the whole day work, definitely we all want a break, and in that break we do those activities that again give us some refreshment. This is known as recreation. Point number 2. We have lots of fun with our family and friends. Right. We have lots of fun with our family members as well as with our friends in our school and in our homes also. Our colony friends, society friends. Right. Now point number 3. Games that are played outside the house are called outdoor games. Yes. Children, just have a look. Outdoor. Out plus door means the game that is played outside the door, that is played outside the house. And those games are known as outdoor games. Clear? Now, next point. Games that are played inside the house are called indoor games. Yes, the games that are played inside your house are known as indoor games. Fine. Now, the last one. On holidays and weekends, we go for picnics, visit a park or a zoo, or sometimes see a circus. Yes, during our holidays and during the weekends, we usually go outside somewhere to have a ride. Either we go for picnics, and here in our place, children, we go to malls also. We go to mall, we go for dinner outside in restaurant, we go to see movies, है ना? And we go to parks also. Sometimes like some special parks like here in our city park we have flower show and all. Then if flower show is there, then we go to see that flower show also. है ना? So these all things are the part of our recreation. We do this with our family members, and while doing these all things we get lots of fun, we enjoy, and we all get a good refreshment. We all refresh ourselves. Right? Have a look. Again, read it by yourself. Fine? Good. So children, this was all for today's video. Today in this video, I have told you about fun with family and friends, that how we can have lots of fun with our family members as well as with our friends. In this chapter, I have told you about the recreation. Recreation means that activity that gives us refreshment. I have told you about your peers. Your peer groups means your friends that are of your own age group. Then we had studied about games, and we had studied that games are of two types, outdoor games and indoor games. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Children, what you have to do again, you have to go through the chapter. Try to read the chapter by yourself. If you are not able to read, then take help or ask from your elders. Take help of your elders. But better try to read because this will improve your reading skills. Fine? Okay, beta.